Welcome to this guided meditation for an abundant life. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Do this for a few times. Allow your body to relax with each breath, letting go of any tension or stress. Bring your attention to the present moment, setting aside any thoughts or worries. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting your body. Feel yourself well supported by Mother Earth. Imagine roots extending from the base of your spine, deep into the earth. These roots ground you, connecting you to the stability and abundance of the earth. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more centered and present. Begin to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air. And then exhale slowly, releasing any tension. With each breath, feel a sense of peace and relaxation washing over you. Allowing your breath to become a natural rhythm, calming your mind and body. Imagine yourself standing in a beautiful, lush garden. This garden is filled with flowers, tall trees, and a gentle stream flowing nearby. The air is fresh, and the sun is shining warmly upon you. This garden represents the abundance in your life. As you walk through the garden, notice the colors, the scents, and the sounds around you. Each element of the garden is a symbol of the abundance that exists in your life. See the flowers blooming, representing opportunities and growth. The trees are strong and tall, symbolizing your inner strength and stability. The flowing stream signifies the flow of prosperity and well-being into your life. Repeat the following affirmations silently or out loud, allowing each one to resonate deeply within you. I am open to receiving the abundance from the universe. I am grateful everything I have and the abundance on its way. Prosperity flows to me easily and effortlessly. I deserve to live a life filled with abundance and joy. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more and more abundant. Feel the truth of these affirmations as you say them, believing in the abundance that is already present in your life and the abundance that is coming. Take a moment to reflect on the abundance you already have. Think of 3 things you are grateful for right now. It could be anything from your health, your relationships, your home, or even simple pleasures like the warmth of the sun or a good meal. Feel the gratitude in your heart, allowing it to expand and fill your entire being. Gratitude opens the door to more abundance. By appreciating what you have, you create a positive vibration that attracts even more abundance into your life. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the surface beneath you once again, supporting your body. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently awakening your body. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to stretch, feeling refreshed and renewed. Carry this sense of abundance and gratitude with you as you go about your day, knowing that you are worthy of all the good things life has to offer. Feel free to return to this meditation whenever you need to reconnect with the abundance in your life. May you be filled with prosperity, joy, and gratitude always. Namaste.